In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand or collapse QuickBooks reports. If you're working with reports in QuickBooks, being able to quickly expand or collapse the details can make a big difference. It helps you control how much information you see on the screen, which is especially useful when you're reviewing account activity, summarizing data, or just trying to keep a report easier to read. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do both individual line toggles and full report toggles. To get started, open any report you want or need inside QuickBooks. If you're not already in a report, go to the Reports option on the left-hand menu. From there, scroll through the available reports and find the one you need. Once you locate it, open the report so it displays on your screen. After the report is open, look through the report for parent accounts or group sections. Next to those lines, you should see small arrows, or in some cases, plus and minus signs. These controls let you expand or collapse a single section at a time. If you want to see more detail for that specific account or category, click the arrow or plus sign to expand it. If you want to hide the detail and keep the report more condensed, click it again to collapse it. This option is helpful when you only want to focus on one part of the report without changing everything else. For example, you might want to review the details under one account while leaving the rest of the report in a collapsed view. That can save time and reduce clutter, especially in larger reports with many categories. If you want to toggle the entire report all at once, there's a faster method. Go to the upper left corner of the report and click the drop-down arrow. In that menu, you'll see options for Collapse All or Expand All. Choose Collapse All if you want to hide the detailed lines across the whole report and view a more summarized version. Choose Expand All if you want to reveal all available detail in the report at the same time. Using these two methods together gives you flexibility. You can quickly switch the entire report to a summary or detailed view, and then fine-tune individual sections as needed. That's all there is to it. Once you know where those controls are, expanding and collapsing QuickBooks reports becomes very quick and easy. Thank you for watching.